Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make homemade tomato puree. This is an excellent way on how to preserve your tomatoes when you have tomato in season, and also it will help to make your cooking process easy. Continue watching to find out how I make this homemade tomato puree. To make your homemade tomato puree, you need fresh and ripe tomatoes. Make sure that you wash the tomatoes and cut the tomatoes for easy blending. You can choose to remove the tomato seed. When I'm done cutting all the tomatoes, I'll be adding them into a blender. I will blend into a smooth puree. When I'm done blending the tomatoes, I'll strain to remove the seed. This method will make the tomato puree to be so smooth and free from any chunks or seed. These are all the seed that I got from the blended tomato puree. You can discharge this or use it to cook. Please use a wide pot to cook this tomato to avoid spilling. While the tomato is boiling, stir occasionally and allow to boil down until the liquid has reduced. The tomato is simmering. I'll add bay leaf and salt. Adding bay leaf is an optional, depending on what you want to use the tomato puree for, but I think it adds flavor to the tomato puree. Stir and allow to continue simmering. After some minutes, check on the tomatoes and stir. It have reduced. I'll be stirring and continue to check on the tomato. When I notice that the liquid has boiled down, I will turn off the heat. Allow the tomato paste to cool down before stirring. You can use to preserve this tomato paste. You can freeze it or add some oil and preserve it in the fridge. How easy it is to make your homemade tomato paste without preservative at home. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.